What's up, boys and girls? It's RiceChrispy. We're here for an art tutorial, and this is what I call the ice cream cone method. Very simple, easy to follow instructions for you. Alright, for this method, we're just going to be starting real simple. You need two shapes here. That's just the end result of what we're going to build up to. You start out with a circle, you find the center line cross, and then from that horizontal center line, we're going to draw a triangle straight to the point. That's going to be the chin, and you'll see that we're going to add the jawline in this next clip here. That's just another pair of triangles to the side here. And I'm being very sketchy. Make sure to add a little flat line near the end of that triangle to add the chin. But see, I'm very loose and sketchy. This is a template and guideline. You're supposed to be loose. There's a bunch of energy. I'm not erasing anything. We're going to be creating another layer over it. And since we got this basic face shape here, we're going to add a little template over the face to help navigate where the eyes and nose would be. As you can see, the two circles in the center are the eyes. The circle down by the triangle is the nose. And we're adding another half semicircle above the ice cream and the whole skull itself to add the top half of the skull. And that's going to make your drawings more realistic, because that's how human anatomy is. As you can see, I pointed out, we have the hairline in green, the brown line as that top right there, right above the eyes. That's our brow line. Right in the center horizontal is the eye, and then below that is obviously the nose. And I'm just going to show you from scratch, time-lapsed, of just doing it from scratch, from zero to finished product. This is just a very quick sketch I did. I'm still very new to digital art, so I would much prefer doing analog and physical, but I'm getting more confident on digital right now, and this tutorial is just way easier to show you digitally. I'm using Clip Studio Paint. It has this cool function of time lapse, and it's pretty neat, pretty cool. So you're seeing a full time lapse. I have it slowed down quite a bit. The time lapse goes really fast. I might screen record to give it more realistic timing on how I move my pen. But yeah, this is just a very simple beginner friendly tutorial. Don't feel bad if it looks goofy at first. I wasn't really too happy with the final inking process of my picture right here, which usually that's how it goes. I love the sketch, and then when I ink it, it just doesn't translate as well. But yeah, I think that's a lot of artists. I'm still learning digital, and the brush isn't quite the same as a real brush in real life. But yeah, that's a very basic tutorial on the front profile face. I'll probably do a side and 3/4 view later on. But yeah, keep on learning. I wish I could credit the people that I put this all together, but this is honestly just a whole amalgamation of everything I've learned in my whole life just to put it together. This is great for comics, manga, and anime. Just a very bare minimum way to start to give you more structure on the face. One thing I like the most with the green outline with that face template where we did the brow line and the eye line, the circle that comes in below the eye line, that's where the skull actually, the cheekbones go in, and that's where the eye cavities cave in. It's supposed to represent that. I have a tendency to not leave enough space between the eyes and the skull to the side. So that green face shield thing, I don't really know what to call it. It just reminds me of a shield. It helps me stay within a more realistic way for drawing cartoon or manga, comic characters. And honestly, you can exaggerate however you'd like. But if you like this video, like it. If you found it useful, comment down below what you found the most useful. More tutorials to come. I'm still working on parody comics, guys. Don't worry. Rice Krispie draws out.